Are you a process engineer, a plant designer, or in supportive instance in pharmaceutical or biopharmaceutical processes? You will meet probably the same challenges. You would have washing processes of IBCs, which are time-consuming, energy-consuming, and need a lot of validation. Here, we have the solution for you. Hi, my name is Tim Rückert from Andocksysteme, and today we are live from the single-use event in Basel. With us, our ACUBE. Our ACUBE will replace that IBC. You will reduce energy consumption, the time to market, and the validation efforts. If you meet these challenges too, we are happy to stand by you. Andocksysteme provides you that solution that you need. Please click on the link below, contact us directly, and we're here to help you. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye. See you next time.